at it, man. Like a crack at it. Tell you what, I need your ears better listen up. Shout out to Red Hook Noodles. Shout out to my hometown, Pittsburgh. I tell you what, Wiz, I'm coming. So you better start running. Better start that running. I'm funny. See how we can do this and it's funny. You think you got the chance, you think you got the guns, but I run with no guns like a nun. Damn, look at the fun I have. All the time I spent, all the rhymes I wrote. You now know them, so to that, I'll take a toke. I'll let you smoke, I'll let you choke, and then I'll come back at it like I'm not a joke. Look, it's time to get serious and learn dyslexics. Now, dyslexic motherfuckers like me can make a living off what we do and be an MC shit. I gotta holler out to Eminem. Let me go old school like who the fuck was Eminem? And we throw it all back to Vanilla Ice. Like the Beastie Boys, they gon' learn to write. And T's gon' learn to write, so he's gon' learn to write. Which influenced me, he teach me how to write. So now my wrongs are fucking right. So while I type up my lyrics, you don't understand the fights that I go through. So you hear it on the record, but you don't get to feel it. So let me paint a picture, close your eyes, conceal it. Imagine being in my shoes every single day, 9 to 5, back to noon. To work back in the studio with no appreciation to the Love Band studio. I got my boy realistic. He helps every now statistics tell me that I just keep doing what I'm doing. I love the way I rap, I love the way that I'm pursuing my whole career. Realistic has always been by my side, and now, tonight, I'm telling him that I'm down to die for him. Forever, whenever, just give me a call and I'll be right there, ready, going big dog. You got this, man, let me put my fist up. Step back, I'ma fuck this bitch up. That's Bound by a Sound, man. Such a family, it's not a noun, man. We do it cause we love it cause we do it. We still a family, since my brother knew it. Time for me to come back in the studio. You thought the fucking rhyme was over, what I'm gonna do to you is mind fuck. You call me Sean Combs, call me P. Diddy. I'm inside your mind, ooh, it's looking shitty. Cause your futures don't go far like mine, bitch. It just goes on. I'm in outer space, looking down at y'all. I see the planets looking real fucking small. So I move to the moon, damn, so many moon Martians up there, saying, wow, can they even clean up the mess? Bring it out twice and let me clean up the best. So go ahead and bless me, try to clean up the set and try to make this crime scene look like set tapes back in '89 when people learned to rhyme. People did it all the time, they were doing all their crimes. Look, I tell you something, those were the times. Rappers back then, they didn't rap about shit like Soulja Boy, New Boys. They sucked dick. And it was beef like that, 24/7, and everybody learned like rap was the reason why kids want to do what they do. People keep on talking like you do what you do to pursue a fucking false career. Hell nah, bitch. I do this only now for the fucking tears, but I try to get the kids to learn the message. I don't care what race you are. I don't care about your ethic. I don't care about the way your religion tells you not to. Cause what I'm doing is speaking up, so not true to anything that you've ever been told. The only truth in your life is what's about to be told. I don't care if you're white or black, Christian, I don't care, it's not a fucking fact. It's the point that you do what you wanna do, pursue what you want, and that's what I'ma do. So I'ma tell you, listen up, wanna be a rapper? Give it up, just keep pushing, man, you're gonna make it there. I'll tell you something, I could be that man.